Hi, I'm Bob Jameson, President and CEO of Visit Fort Worth, here at Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport's D-South gates with my three things for June. DFW is a $37 billion economic engine for our regional economy, the second busiest airport in the world. This airport is critical to Fort Worth's success in attracting national and international visitors. DFW recently announced an exciting $4.8 billion expansion, which includes a new terminal, the renovation and expansion of 2 terminals, and various other upgrades. I'm here with Sean Donohue, CEO of DFW International Airport. Sean, thanks so much for joining me.
Bob, great to be here. Thanks for coming out to DFW. As you can see, we're in the throes of summer. Very busy. As a matter of fact, we just saw the busiest day in our history 10 days ago, and we served 262,000 customers in one day. We're going to serve 80 million customers this year, and by the end of the decade, we will be at 100 million customers. These are some of the newest gates on the airport. Great feedback from customers. And as you said, we just announced with American, our biggest partner at DFW, a $5 billion capital program. Just south of here, we'll build a 6th terminal. And then in American's 2 busiest terminals, we will add gates. And most importantly, as you know, Bob, the one terminal that I have failed to fix yet, we are finally going to fix, and that's Terminal C. And we're going to tear it down in phases. We're going to rebuild it, and it will be the best terminal here at DFW.
Thanks so much, Sean. DFW has 16 international carriers and domestic direct flights to anywhere in the country in 4 hours or less. That gives us a great advantage to host conventions and sports events from all over the nation and the world. Every year, the Juneteenth holiday gives us the opportunity to reflect, learn, and reinforce community. The Visit Fort Worth team participated and promoted Juneteenth events all across the city. Opal's Walk is a 2.5-mile walk led every year by Dr. Opal Lee, the grandmother of Juneteenth. This event at Evans Avenue Plaza highlights the historic Southside neighborhood where the National Juneteenth Museum will be built. When visitors arrive in Fort Worth, they encounter unique and unexpected experiences. Meeting planners are looking to create experiences for their convention attendees, and Fort Worth provides them with many choices in our vibrant destination. They find entertainment in Sundance Square, the Stockyards, and the near South Side. They explore the arts in the Cultural District. And all over the city, they can experience new hotels offering the best in Texas hospitality. Our dynamic city has many things in store for visitors. To capture this, we have created videos highlighting many of our exciting districts. Check them out at fortworth.com and find out how you can help visitors discover the unexpected in our city.